How to fix Facebook Lite not working on data on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Lite not working on data on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type here Lite and you will find it, then click on it, and now just click storage and then clear cache and click force stop. Now go to data usage. If you found this one here, mobile data, maybe you will find it like that, then just enable it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just click storage and then manage storage, and now just click clear, allow all of those and clear, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.